Guys, in today's video, we will be learning what is sets in Python. A set in Python programming is an unordered collection data type that is iterable, mutable, and has no duplicate elements. Python's built-in set type has some characteristics. First one is sets are unordered. Second, set elements are unique. Duplicate elements are not allowed. Third one, a set itself may be modified, but the elements contained in the set must be of an immutable type. Let me take S1 set. This is a list type. We are saying Raj, Rohan, Ramesh. Let's print our set. Okay, so set is printed. Second way is S2 A B C. Okay, let's print S2. We will also try to get its type S2 and S1. Okay, first we will print S1, then we will print S2, then we will print both types. Let's run the program. So you see, first set is created, second set is also created by different way. Both sets are type of class set. You see, you can also create another type of set, that is 1 2 6. We will print it again as 3. Let's see what is the type of S3. Let's run the program. Set 3 also has a type of class set. It is containing integer type of values. This is what how to create sets. Now let's see how to access values in a set. We have S1. We'll be using for loop for x in S1 print x. Let's print. You see, Ramesh, Raj, Rohan, all the elements are printed from S1 set. Now let's see how we can add an item to a set. We can add elements to a set by using add function. Okay, so this is add function. I want to add one element into S1 dot add Mohan. Then we will print S1 again. Before adding elements, let's print again S1. Then see, run the program. You see, initially set1 was having 3 elements. After adding Mohan, now sets has 4 elements. Let's see how we can remove item from a set. To remove item from a set, we can use a method that is called discard. Removing an item, let's say Ramesh. Let's print first. Then after discarding an element from a set, then we will be printing. Okay, let's run the program. First we have printed the set, then we have discarded one element, that is Ramesh. Ramesh is being removed, so rest elements Mohan, Rohan and Raj. Okay, now let's see mathematical operations on sets. The sets in Python are typically used for mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference and complement, etc. We can create a set, access its element and carry out these mathematical operations. Okay, first we will see what is union of sets. The union operation on two sets produces a new set containing all the distinct elements from both the sets. Let's take employee 1, that is first set Ram, Ramesh. We can take another set, that is Dinesh, Ramesh. Let's print. Before printing even we can say result employee 1. We can use the pipe this or operator here to union two sets. Employee 2. Let's print result 1. So you see Dinesh, Ramesh and Ram. Dinesh, Ramesh and Ram, you can see all elements are distinct. It means unique from both the sets. What is intersection of sets? The intersection operation on two sets produces a new set containing only the common elements from both the sets. Common elements, what are those? This is the only one, Ramesh. So we will see employee 1 dot intersection employee 2 result 1, then print result 1. We will say print slash n intersection. Let's run the program. So only Ramesh is printed because the condition is all the elements from both the sets should be common. We have another way to apply intersection, that is result 3 equals to employee 1. We can use AND operator. Employee 2, it will print the same result. Okay, let's see. You see, both way printed the same elements. Let's see what is difference of sets. The difference operation on two sets produces a new set containing only the elements from the first set and none from the second set. Okay, so we can use the same sets above, employee 1 and employee 2. What we will do, we will take another result 4 equals to employee 1 minus the operator of difference is minus. So let's see, print difference, say result 4. Okay, so the result should be only the Ram. Okay, because Ramesh is there in second set, it will not print from here. Okay, so it will print only Ram. Let's see, you see Ram is printed. Okay, if we make it opposite, then let's see, it will print Dinesh. Let me take 5. This time let me take employee 2, employee 1, result 5. So now I am differencing employee 2 from employee 2 to employee 1. Okay, so this time it will take first this set. Okay, it will look up whether any of the elements is there in set 1 or not. Yes, Ramesh is there, so it will print only the Dinesh. Okay, let's print. You see Dinesh is printed. Now let's see what is compare sets. We can check if a given set is a subset or superset of another set. Okay, the result is true or false depending on the element present in the set. Okay, let's see result 6. We will check employee 2 less than equals to employee 3, print result 6. It will return false because these all elements from set 1 not belongs to this set employee 3. It will return false. Let's run the program. You see it is false. If I put one more element here, that is Ram, let's see then what will happen. It will return true because both the elements from set 1 found in the set 2.
That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.